So I got the pan removed from my AOD transmission. There are 14 bolts in total. Make sure you got 14. If you got 13, you don't got enough. If you got 12, you don't got enough. If you got 11, you don't got enough. If you got 2 bolts, you know your issue. You know. So right now, I just got done cleaning out the pan. I believe that the black gunk that was at the bottom, it was kind of hard. It was almost like tar. Was the stop slip. So I did put a stop slip in this transmission a while back. To stop it from slipping, but that wasn't the issue. It wasn't filled to the full capacity. These take 12 quarts. So right now what I'm doing is just changing what's in the pan, which is only 6.5 quarts. I'm gonna put 6, and I'm gonna see how it drives. So it drives, and I might just add a small amount. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And I'll add this: if you're having issue with the 2 bolts in the back, I recommend you get one of these flexible little adapter joints right here. This will pretty much help you get those 2 bolts in the back. I know they're kind of difficult to get to, but this will help. So that's my PS. PS on the love note for the Fox Body lovers. Yeah, and then the torque spec on these bolts, I'm not exactly sure. Before I get once I get the pan all situated, I'll give you guys the torque spec, and from there, pretty much golden. So let's get to it. So, sorry how the video's all cut up, but doing the best I can. I have mine at about 7 foot-pounds. You want anywhere from 6 to 10 foot-pounds on those bolts. I don't know if it differs from rubber to corkscrew, but I'm gonna torque mine around that. I got a brand new gasket under there. When I'm putting the pan on, one thing that I do aside from using this to reach in the back of there is I put all the bolts in through the gasket, and the gasket will hold. I don't know if the corkscrew gasket will hold it in, but I know that the rubber gasket will hold it in. So that's what I do. I basically stick them through the gasket, shove it up there, and start turning in the bolts. And now I'll torque it, and that'll be that. I want to wipe that mess off as well.